Hey guys, check out this amazing sensory toy that my kids just cannot put down. There are so many different activities for them to do on here. So they have a little spinner here that they can stick their finger right in. It spins. I love the visual of the spiral that spins with it. This one here, it has nice like stretchy strings so they can go ahead and grab at it and pull at it. That's always fun. They kind of pull out a little bit. Right here's one of my kids' favorites. It's a little clock and the mouse. When you turn this down here, the mouse pops in and then the cat pops in and out. It's so much fun for them to kind of guess where it's gonna go. Over here, these ones are really cool. It's a little challenging. You have to stick your finger in and push it through and it pops to the next hole. And then here you have a carrot that you can go ahead and turn. It's like a little puzzle. And then when you're done, you just go ahead and push it back together. And I love on the bottom, there's little tabs. So you have like a 1 here, and then on the other side, there's a dot. And then there's 2 dots here, and you have the number 2. That's really fun for them to go ahead and learn that. And then you can go ahead and flip them over. Let's see what we have here. This one here, you just have like a couple little balls. You can go ahead and spin, and they do have different colors on the other side. You have a nice little mirror here. This is perfect for if you're doing tummy time. Your kids can go ahead and look in the mirror. You have the stretchy strings here again. And then here, this one's cool because it makes noise. It's like a little fidget spinner. And you can go ahead and spin that. So I love that these are all connected together so you don't have to worry about losing them or where they're at. They're all just in one spot for you. They do have a nice little handle here so your kids could easily just take it around with them. My kids always, they're just crawling around with it, carrying them around everywhere. I also do like that you can go ahead and fold these up just like that. And it sits really nice on a shelf. It looks like really nice to the eye too, having it sitting up on a shelf. And this is super easy to take out to a restaurant with you to keep your kids busy. It's all gonna stay in one spot. It's really easy, just tossing your diaper bag and take it with you. So if you're looking for a really nice sensory activity toy for your kid, this one right here is a great option. Thanks for watching.